everyone, I'm Julie, one of the Leapedbox garden experts. Today, we're building a vertical garden. Let's get started. First, we're going to start with the base. You're going to want to fill it about 3/4 of the way with soil. Pick plants that aren't going to grow too big, so herbs or small veggie plants. Now that you've completed your first layer, go ahead and give your plants some water. Then, repeat the process until you're happy with the height of your vertical garden. Make sure that you put your large plants on the top and your small plants on the bottom so that they all have adequate space to grow. Vertical gardens are great for people that want to keep their gardens nice and tidy, or they live in an apartment, or just don't have a lot of space for a garden. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you soon.